In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Teachable course price. Whether you're updating a one-time purchase, setting up a subscription, or offering a payment plan, I'll walk you through the exact flow in Teachable so you can adjust pricing confidently and clearly. First, sign in to your Teachable school and head into the admin area. From your dashboard, open Products, sometimes labeled Courses depending on your view, then select the specific course you want to update. Inside that course, go to the Pricing tab. This is where all pricing options for that course live and where you'll make changes. To create the new price, click Add Pricing Plan. Teachable treats each price as a plan, which lets you offer multiple ways to buy the same course if you want. Next, choose the type of pricing that best fits your goal. Select one-time purchase if you want students to pay once for access. Choose subscription if you'd like recurring billing, which is great for ongoing programs or memberships. Pick payment plan to split a fixed total into a set number of installments. Now fill in the plan details. Enter the price amount and select the currency you want to charge in. Give the plan a clear name and, if helpful, add a short subtitle or description. This text shows up at checkout, so use it to clarify what's included or to highlight the value of the plan. If you're setting up a subscription or a payment plan, specify the billing frequency or the number of payments. For subscriptions, choose how often you want to charge. Monthly or annually are the most common. For payment plans, set how many payments the total will be divided into and over what time frame. You can optionally refine the offer with a trial period, an enrollment cap, or a limited access duration. A trial period can reduce friction for new students and increase conversions. An enrollment cap can help manage cohort sizes or create urgency. Limited access duration is useful if you want the plan to grant access only for a certain number of days or months rather than forever. Take a moment to review everything for accuracy: amount, currency, plan name, and any special settings, then click Save. After saving, you'll see the new plan listed in the Pricing tab for that course. That's it. Your updated pricing option is now ready for students to select at checkout. If you want to fine-tune the wording or adjust the amount later, you can come back to the same Pricing tab and edit the plan at any time.